Today I am going to show how to make rod and bearing. Okay, let's start. Just go to this unit, just set the unit. I choose millimeter, gram, second. Okay, and just click front plane and click sketch. Now sketch a circle from this point to this. Right click, select OK. Again sketch circle from this point to this and click and right click, select OK. Now go to smart dimension, make it 7 millimeter, click enter, and make it 9 millimeter, click enter. Okay, and right click, select OK. Now sketch line from this point to this point, right click and select OK. Now again choose line from this point to choose line from this point to this point and this point to this point, and right click, select OK. Just go to this trim entity, choose power trim and trim this, OK, and this, and just click OK. Now choose this this fillet, sketch fillet, choose this, choose it 1 millimeter, choose this 1 millimeter, click enter. Just choose this, I will choose this 5 millimeter and just click OK. Click OK. Now go to smart dimension, make it 5 millimeter, click enter. OK. Now right click and select OK. Now go to feature and click revolve boss base and axis of revolution. This is our axis of revolution. Now see, and just click OK. OK. Our ball is ready. Just save it, save as, go to save as, choose this name, rod and bearing, and just save. Okay, just cancel it. Again go to this new plane, choose part and just click OK, and choose this front plane and click sketch. Now sketch circle, this one circle or another circle, right click and select OK. Outer circle will be 7 millimeter, 7 millimeter. Okay, and then inner circle will be, I will choose 5 millimeter, 5 millimeter, click enter. Okay, and right click, select OK. Now just sketch line from this point to this point, and right click and select OK. Go to this trim, choose power trim, just trim this and this and just click OK. Now go to this feature, choose revolve boss base and choose this axis of revolution. This is our axis of revolution and just click OK. Now see, our ball is created. Now again choose this front plane and click sketch. Now choose a center rectangle, sketch a center rectangle and right click, select OK, and choose this center line on this origin point, just sketch it and right click and select OK. Now go to this smart dimension, make this point to this origin point, it will keep 2 millimeters. Click enter. OK, right click and select OK. Go to this mirror entity and choose this all line and choose this mirror about, just click mirror about, thus this is the center is our mirror about, and just click OK. Now just go to feature and click extrude cut. Now see, just choose this blind, choose this mid plane. Now see, it will cut, just click OK. Now see, inner ball is ready, just select OK. Just save it, go to save and save as. Rod and in and save. Okay, now cancel it. Now again go to this part, new and save. Okay. Now choose this sorry, just cancel it, go to this and choose this our first file, open and just choose front plane and click sketch. Now choose this center rectangle, sketch center rectangle, right click and select OK. Go to a smart dimension, sorry, just sketch center line on this origin point, just right click and select OK, and go to a smart dimension, make this point to this, it will keep 2 millimeter, click enter. OK, right click and select OK. Actually it will be until this, just drag it until this. Okay, now go to this mirror entity and choose entity to mirror. Our all line is entity to mirror, just click all line are selected, just click mirror about, click this is our mirror about and just click OK. Now go to feature and click extrude cut. Choose this mid plane and see, it will give more than our main body, just click OK. Now see, oh, so actually we should cut this plane, this sharp, so I'll keep this fillet, I'll choose this fillet 1 millimeter fillet, just click this corner and just click this corner and just click OK. Now see. Okay, now I will assembly it, just I will assembly, so just go to this new and just click this make assembly from part. Okay, just click on this and just right click on this and just click float and choose this icon, show this view origin and click. Now go to this assembly and click this mat, choose this standard mat and just select this origin point and this origin point, make sure it is coincident and just select OK. Okay, now just click OK. Now go to this insert component and click this browse and choose this our file. This is our file rod and in. Just click and open and just click OK. Now go to this mat and choose this inner side and choose this outer side and just choose this concentric and just click OK. Now see, it is moving in the inner side. Yes, rod and bearing is ready. Okay, thank you for watching.